Platform 7B will be the 1824
Trans-Wales service
to Cardiff Central. Calling at Church Stretton, Craven Arms, Broome, Hopton Heath, Bucknell, Knighton, Nicholas, Llanganflo, Llanbister Road, Dolai, Penabont, Llandrindod, Bilth Road, Kilmerry, Garth, Llangamach, Llanortyd, Sugarloaf, Canghordy, Llandafri, Llanorda, Llangadog, Llandelo, Firefach, Llanderbeer, Ammanford, Pantyffynon, Pontydilais, Llangennych, Binia, Llanelli, Gowerton, Swansea, Llansamlet, Skewin, Neath, Britton Ferry, Baglan, Port Talbot Parkway, Pyle, Bridgend and Cardiff Central. Platform 7B for the 1824
Trans-Wales service
to Cardiff Central. When boarding the train, please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge. Broome, Hopton Heath, Bucknell, Nicholas, Llanganflo, Llanbister Road, Dolai, Penabont, Bilth Road, Kilmerry, Garth, Llangamach, Sugarloaf, Canghordy, Llanorda, Llangadog, Llanderbeer, Ammanford, Pontydilais, Llangennych and Binia are request stops, and passengers for these stations should ask the conductor on the train to arrange for the train to stop to allow them to alight. The next train to arrive at platform 3 will be the 1825
Trans-Wales service
to Llandudno. Calling at Gabowen, Chirk, Rwabon, Wrexham General, Chester, Shotton, Flint, Prestatyn, Rhyl, Abergele and Pensarn, Colwyn Bay, Llandudno Junction, Deganwy and Llandudno. Platform 3 for the 1825
Trans-Wales service
to Llandudno. When boarding the train, please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge. Deganwy is a request stop, and passengers for this station should ask the conductor on the train to arrange for the train to stop to allow them to alight. Platform 3 will be the 1831
Trans-Wales service
to Aberystwyth. Calling at Welshpool, Newtown, Cardiff, Machynlleth, Derby Junction, Borth and Aberystwyth. Platform 3 for the 1831
Trans-Wales service
to Aberystwyth. When boarding the train, please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge.
Welcome aboard. We will be calling at the following principal stations: Welshpool, Newtown, Cardiff, Machynlleth, Derby Junction, Borth and Aberystwyth. Thank you.
The next train to arrive at platform 5 will be the 1933
Trans-Wales service
to Birmingham International. Calling at Wellington, Telford Central, Wolverhampton, Smethwick Gorton Bridge, Birmingham New Street and Birmingham International. Platform 5 for the 1933
Trans-Wales service
to Birmingham International. When boarding the train, please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge. 4A will be the 1930
Trans-Wales service
to Aberystwyth. Calling at Welshpool, Newtown, Cardiff, Machynlleth, Derby Junction, Borth and Aberystwyth. Platform 4A for the 1930
Trans-Wales service
to Aberystwyth. When boarding the train, please please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge. The next train to arrive at platform 7B will be the 2050
Following Trans Wales service
to Fishguard Harbour, calling at Church Stretton, Craven Arms, Ludlow, Leinster, Hereford, Aberystwyth, Cwmbran, Newport, Cardiff Central, Pontyclun, Llanharan, Pencoed, Bridgend, Pyle, Port Talbot Parkway, Baglan, Briton Ferry, Neath, Skewin, Llansamlet, Swansea, Gowerton, Llanelli, Pembrey Valley Port, Kidwelly, Bereside, Carmarthen, Whitland, Crumston Road, Fishguard and Buddig, and Fishguard Harbour. Platform 7B for the 2050
Following Trans Wales service
to Fishguard Harbour. When boarding the train, please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge. The train now approaching platform 7B is the 2050
Following Trans Wales service
to Fishguard Harbour, calling at Church Stretton, Craven Arms, Ludlow, Leinster, Hereford, Aberystwyth, Cwmbran, Newport, Cardiff Central, Pontyclun, Llanharan, Pencoed, Bridgend, Pyle, Port Talbot Parkway, Baglan, Briton Ferry, Neath, Skewin, Llansamlet, Swansea, Gowerton, Llanelli, Pembrey Valley Port, Kidwelly, Bereside, Carmarthen, Whitland, Crumston Road, Fishguard and Buddig, and Fishguard Harbour. Platform 7B for the 2050
Following Trans Wales service
to Fishguard Harbour. When boarding the train, please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge.
Click here to subscribe to Travel Jacks Journeys, and to watch the previous episode of Travel Jacks Journeys, click here.